Decision Plus has been and still is a leading stock market service provider. From training to coaching, we cover it all. Try both our software as well as our coaching site, completely free for 10 days without obligation. No credit card is needed to sign up for the trial. The trial subscription will be automatically canceled for you at the end. DecisionPlus.com, your stock market service center. Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try marketgurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above. Market Vision Plus is the trading companion of so many investors. Make your fundamental and technical analysis easy with Canada's #1 stock market decision-making software. Research, decide, and follow your positions with Market Vision Plus. See the menus just above this program and try Market Vision Plus for 10 days without any obligation after the show. When it comes to day trading, Trader Plus is the right tool. Track 50 quotes simultaneously. Create dozens of quick lists. Display as many as 30 real-time intraday charts at the same time. Watch the action with candlesticks or bar charts as fast as 10 seconds. See the market by sectors. Use the chart models already prepared for you. Try Trader Plus for 10 days in the menu above without any obligation.
Welcome to the Swing Trading Show. It's 12:30 Wednesday, July 26th. The market are mostly flat since beginning of the day. Dow is up just over, just lower than 100 right now. It's all about Boeing. Earning of Boeing was really good. Increased the guidance for the rest of the year. Stock is up 8%. It's the most irresponsible of all the points on the Dow. Nasdaq open positive, deflate little bit. TSX. We just make a move during the French show. It's mostly because of energy stock, mining stock, but we just deflate the last move, so we're back at the same point. On the SPY, it's completely neutral since yesterday. It was all about the USO this morning to monitor USO. So we push on the inventory, we break the downward channel, we came back at 0, but now we're back around the top, so we are in a clear reversal of the situation. If we finish higher than 995, it will be positive. If you have open energy stock yesterday or last week and you still have it and you make more than 5%, I will suggest you to take a profit today. The gold is completely flat. The gold stock are completely flat also. The best today we have the FOMC announcement at 2, so I suggest to avoid any trading in the gold. Gold is most of the time the most volatile sector in the FOMC, independently what the comments will be about the inflation, because the most important thing on the FOMC today, it's what they will say about the inflation, the prospect on the inflation, and the prospect of the inflation will set if we will have a third rate hike, or if the Fed will be more dovish or hawkish, until the end of the year. So when we look at our sector, so energy very strong since the inventory sector is in an upward cycle. There are not a lot of breakout today. Most of the stock was breaking out yesterday. It's more about uptrend continuity, day trading today. The mining sector just break is a long trend. See if I show you with a longer chart. We're in a long neutral formation. We break it at 11:30. We continue the move. It's Hudbay, Freeport, and the States. First Quantum, tech could be interesting. Gold is completely flat. Industry, we have bad earnings on, but not bad earnings, but bad reaction on the CNR earnings. And the healthcare, it's all about Canopy Growth, weed, marijuana stock are pushing higher. If you have open a position and weed Monday, because Monday it was a breakout, you have opportunity to take a profit today. Financial sector, this didn't move a lot. Staple consumption is in breakdown today. Loblaw's earnings were weak, so George Weston is in breakdown, and also Metro discretionary consumption is deflating. Did not have a lot of move. In the technology, we have two stock, OpenText and a nice breakout. Celestica, weak earning, but OpenText is a stronger stock, so it's the reason why the sector is bullish. If I show you the market, nothing changed on Nasdaq. Dow, we try a breakout. We'll need to finish around the top to have a clear breakout. And the TSX were constant, or still in the upper and the downward channel in the neutral formation. Venture breakout because of marijuana stock. USO, so it's a clear reversal today. If we close at this level, it will be positive for the oil and for the energy stock at the supports and nat gas and gold. Little bit weaker today. The USO is up just 1/3%, 16 cents, but it's enough to change the direction. US dollar is slightly higher, and Canadian dollar also. In our upward cycle, mining continuous movement. Healthcare, I told you, it's Canopy, and it's OpenText. Energy, it's a lot of stock, but most of it are not in breakout. Industry, weak, and staple consumption. The rest is neutral. I don't expect anything to change. Stable consumption, look at Loblaw's earning, very bad, 3.75%. George Weston follow. Breakdown also on Metro. Breakdown also on Empire. Premium brand holding, I don't know what they do, but could be in breakdown. Cut is still flat. Saputo, the next movement will be interesting. Maple Leaf, neutral, I will say, and Couche-Tard flat. Healthcare, so technology, but it's all about 5.3% on Canopy. A nice stock also for day trading this morning. We have to monitor 920 next movement, and the other stock to monitor, it's a Valiant Pharma. Industry, CNR down 2.25, CP 1, SNC down, and this is it. Financial did not move. Discretionary consumption, not a lot of move. Mining, Hudbay 5%, just the best stock in the mining this morning, and it's probably the best stock right now in the 998 will be the next entry points. Turquoise also very interesting, but it was only this morning. I prefer turquoise in the States for day trading. London still in this neutral formation. Tekla, it's 26.25. The points, I think. Oh, but yeah, it's 26.25. So that was the breakout. I will just show it to you with less data. So the next breakout will be at 26.30. First Quantum, also very interesting. It's the best one with Hudbay today. So both stocks are nice. And in the States, it's Freeport. Freeport is nice because it goes from negative to positive. So if you have opened the entry point at 14.67, you make approximately 3%. I will answer the question. We go to the I will show the energy sector, and at the same time I will answer your question. Is it a good time to enter in these stock? Most of these stock was breakout yesterday. So today is the second day. I prefer play the second day and day trading, because yesterday it was up like 3 to 5%. Today it's another 3 to 5%. So it means that if you open the position today, you could risk between 8 and 10. But yes, there's a couple that are very nice. So look, the energy sector is a clear breakout. Yesterday it was tight. Today we're confirming the movement. And Canada, it was a nice breakout yesterday, continue today. Vermilion was not a breakout, but I'm not sure I will open the position for swing trading today. Suncor was a breakout yesterday. Crew, Torque. So Torque, your stock, the breakout was at 561. Today we're up 5% if we compare with the close of yesterday. So if you open the position today, your exit point will be 520, 70 cents, 15%. I don't think you could trade a stock today like that. So I would suggest you to open a position and day trading at 593. If the stock continue and close around 615, you could still keep the stock and said I will close at the price I paid if we go in correction tomorrow. But you could not have the same support than someone who opened the position yesterday. So this is the most important thing for you, Travis. It's your exit point that will be different. If you look at WCP, I don't like the stock at all. A lot weaker than all of the rest. So TOJ was very nice, and Birchcliff was nice. Yesterday it was a tight breakout. Today is less up. It will be just under 6, so the loss potential is less on Birchcliff, but it's less stronger. So I would prefer for you to open a position on TOG, but just adjust your exit points dependently what's happened with the energy stock during the day. Now we go to the mini pause. Right.
Find answers to your questions by emailing your host at btm@decisionplus.com.
5 good reasons to manage your investments with National Bank Direct Brokerage. Commission fees fixed at $9.95 anytime for all clients and starting at only $6.95 for active investors. No administrative fees if you hold at least $20,000 in your accounts. Registered accounts available in U.S. currency. Powerful tools to help you manage your portfolio. Award-winning customer service and satisfaction levels amongst the highest in the industry. To learn more, visit nbdb.ca or call us now.
Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try marketgurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above.
So I will show you a couple of earnings stock. Boeing, like I told you, 8% up. This is the responsible for that. The supports, big rebound on AT&T on the Dow. Coke also opened negative, is now positive. United States still kind of weak after its earning. Chipotle also. CNR, look, down 2%. Celestica 4.5 in Canada. Toramo at the support, and Loblaws, it's a clear breakdown. iRobot, but they had the earning, and SoftBank took a position of just under 5% in the position. Healthcare, it was about the Obamacare, Trumpcare, and the vote at the Senate, but this doesn't move a lot. Home Capital, it's a stock that I think will have been a lot more interesting today. Kind of disappointing in the stock because look at yesterday, all the stock was nice, and the news is positive today. We had Home Capital reimburse all the line of credit that Berkshire gave them a couple of weeks ago, at beginning of June. The $2 billion they give them. They also finalized the sale of their commercial mortgage back for $662 million, and they have $3.6 billion in liquidity and line of credit to finance their mortgage. So I think that they are in a better position than people think. I think that if we could break the 15 or something like that, the stock could be nice for the trading. So I will say around 1460, it could be a nice stock today. And if you go and break out at 1515, but it's super nice, you will be not far from being able to take a profit. So I think it's a stock to monitor in the afternoon with energy and mining sector. Something else is very important for you if you want to open position in the resource today. There's a lot of earning in the gold tonight. Agnico Eagle, Barrick Gold, Goldcorp, New Gold, Ditto Gold. We also have earnings on Metanex, Suncor, Calfrax, London Mining. Tomorrow morning we have Cameco, Cenovus, Potash, First Quantum, Mega Energy. So the gold will move after 2. I don't know in what direction, but I don't think you should keep gold stock overnight because of all the earnings that are in the gold, and it's all the big stock. Look, Goldcorp, Barrick Gold, and Agnico Eagle are one of the biggest market cap in Canada in the gold, and in the world also for Goldcorp and Barrick Gold. And we don't want to open position just the day before they will publish their earning. So right now, if you want to open position in Canada and the States, you need to look when they will publish the earning. Me, I want to have 5 business days between the dates that I buy the company and the day that the company will publish. I think that if we have 5 business days, we have chance to be able to take a profit before. So this is very important. Try to also have Facebook and PayPal in the States. It's Facebook, it's the most important one, and we'll have Amazon tomorrow night. So except of that, look, we had a couple of stock to monitor in the marijuana. So we had a nice move since last week in the marijuana. Today, Aphria continuous movement. So if you have opened a position late on July 17, probably have an opportunity for a profit today. Canopy, we talk about that. Emblem is not far, no, Emblem, Emerald Health was at 135, it was a breakout. I think it's one of the stock to monitor. So you make a big move. If it's go back to 135, I think it's a position you could open today. And marijuana, if you have a position in weed and Aphria, don't open another one. Just keep the position you have. But if you did not participate on the market last week, I think Emerald could be a nice one today. And this is it. Aurora Cannabis since Monday when he moved to the TSX is mostly flat. So if you don't have any more questions, this will be the end of the show. So I think energy and mining are 2 best sector for trading this afternoon. Don't forget to monitor the FOMC at 2 p.m. today. And also marijuana, and I like Home Capital Group and Canada in the financial sector for day trading. If we could have movement this afternoon. Have a nice week, everyone. We see all us next Wednesday in August.